Get a paper and then fold it into two. We need at least half ng paper. Half. Yan. Half. Okay, then fold it into two. Tapos, we'll use the curve here as our base. Ito yung magiging parang base natin. So, you can use semicircle or oval. Pwede rin circle, pero yung dulo natin kailangan medyo flat. Kasi this will be our fold. Okay, doon manggagaling fold. So, gawin lang natin. Maybe I'll try to draw an oval. Ayan. Make sure there's at least 1 inch or half-inch space here. Hindi nyo gugupitin. Itong part na to, hindi gugupitin. This will be the fold. Tapos, dito kayo magsisimula ng inyong curved line. So, you can do oval or you can do just semicircle or half circle. Yan. So, subukan natin to. Hulaan nyo yung gagawin natin. Stripes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, ano kaya itong gagawin natin? What do you think? Sinong makakahula? Ano kaya ito? Ano to? It's a hulaan niyo na ba? Can you guess? Yan. So, ganito magiging itsura niyan, ha? Dapat may fold dito and this is flat. Bigyan natin ng text. Isang B or bubuyog. Tapos, yung gagawin natin, we will cut it starting with the fold here. Okay? Ayan. Ngayon, meron na tayong parang card. Di ba? Parang card. Pero, pag punesto natin siya ng pagganyan, may space, you can actually stand. And, tinan nyo. Okay, ngayon lalagyan natin ng wings. We'll add some wings. So, tayong white paper. Put lang ako ng simple na wings. Careful. Pag-gupit. Cut carefully. Para may space naman, I can cut from here. Here. And add a little bit of glue. Tapos, put natin. Yan. Yan nyo. Ito-tumbling na siya. Tingnan nyo maigi dito. Ito, matibay eh. Alright, tapos na rin ba kayo? Yan. Sana makita ko yung mga artworks nyo, no? So, paano ba namin ito ma-feature? Pwede nyo kuhanan ng picture, magpatulong lang kay nanay at tatay, at pwede nyo i-share ang inyong artwork sa inyong social media at gamitin ang hashtag na #ArtSmartWithTeacherPrecious. Siguraduhin nyo lang na nakaset to public ang privacy settings nito para makita ng Knowledge Channel at ma-feature sa kanilang Facebook page. Pwede nyo rin panoorin yung stream na to sa YouTube channel ng Knowledge Channel. Salamat! See you next time! Bye!